I just don't know the reason why you can talk. We came from your land too. We were born there. That's where we have magical powers that can help each other. But then we got destroyed with the goddess of bats called her name. The Shadow Emperor was named Madis Badis. But then one day she broke the soul. She broke the seal of a book that destroyed the world. But that's where we got our powers from our master, Queen Ensvania. She was very nice. Really? She was a nice queen to us. Yeah, she was nice. Yeah, very nice. Yeah. Mostly in Avondalia. That's nice. We can't. But I still don't understand we can talk. When we were born, we couldn't talk, but the queen gave us our voices.